Just a wild debut for open. We've obviously been talking about it on some of our other shows, like Options Oddities, when it comes to unusual activity for a while, but not in the context of a top 10 name. It broke into the top 10 last week, and today it took the crown. It took the #1 spot in the equity options market today. 3.41 million contracts on the tape. Those are NVIDIA numbers. Those are Tesla numbers, listeners. That is wild paper. It's especially wild when you consider that this stock, aka the Forever Call, was trading about 50 cents not that long ago. You could have bought all the stock you wanted for 50 cents, and now we have options trade that go out the end of the week that we're trading for much more than that, 75 cents, 80, 90 cents today. Just wild stuff out there in open. By the way, it had a range today, 261 on the downside and nearly $5. It kissed $5, 497 before closing at 321. What a wild name. What a wild day in this one. So many things going on. Meme stock palooza, speculations about a short squeeze, more buyers than sellers, at least till the end of the day. A combination of all of the above out there, listeners. And then just falling off the cliff from $5. It seems like the buyers were just exhausted. And then right back down to about $3. Still over 6x what the stock was trading at just a little while ago out there. So just absolutely wild, completely upside down that open would be dominating our top 10 today, but that's what we got. And what was the hot option out there in open today? I'll give you a couple seconds. Let's see if you can guess what strike was lighting up the tape. Of course, it's expiring at the end of this week. I think that's a given by now. Was it the 3/2? Was it the 4s? Was it the 2/2? Was it the 2s? Nope, none of those. It was the 4/2, listeners, going up 368,000 contracts today. That is just, I think the technical term is insane paper out there. I'm scared to do this, listeners, but we are going to dive in really quickly. Let's just see what some of the prices were. These are potentially very big ouchies, listeners, if we close here at the end of the week. They traded as high as $1.04. Actually, they hit $1.33 at one point. We saw these things trading for intraday. $1.35. Again, listeners, if we close where we are right now, 321, aka shy of the 4/2 handle, all of that premium is gone. Looks like most of these were buys. It could be a pretty sizable ouchie out there,